guys, I have another video for you guys, and I got 6 surprise eggs that I filled myself. These are little squinky ones, but they're not really squinkies. I said really little things and I filled them up. I filled these guys up. Kind of pop it open. So I'm gonna go for this one first. This is Kinder Egg surprise. It is a fairy. No, never mind. It's a pirate. There's its little stand. There's half. Here's the other. These are really easy to put together because if you put them in the wrong way, they don't go in. So then all you gotta do is make one little click. See? And then go. You see how there's one hole bigger? And there's one thing that sticks up. That thing that sticks up goes in that bigger hole. And then there is its stand. So that is it. And then I'm going to go for this squinky, or it's not really squinky, it's just this egg. Okay, so we got a suction cup, yellow fishy. It doesn't want to stick to the wall, but it's supposed to stick. So now I'm going to go for, let's see, should I go for, what should I go for? I'm going to go for green. Okay, so we got one of these guys. I don't know if you can see that it's 3D, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So you tell me, you want me to do clear, blue, or yellow, or all three in my next video, okay? So I will save all these for my next video. So, no I won't, yeah. I'll do one more and I'll do blue. And we have another one like the yellow one, an octopus. So you tell me which, I'm going to do the other two in my next video. So yeah, that's it. See you next time.